Hi guys, hope you're doing well. This is Manish, and in this particular video we'll look into functions. So let's define a function named sum, and we can use the pass keyword if we don't want to define something in this function right now. Let's try to call it. Save this and run this. Okay, you see none, but we are not seeing any error here. So if you want to define some functions and keep it as a template, you can simply use the pass keyword and just define it within a class. So we'll be looking into class and other concepts, the object oriented concepts in the later videos when we'll be discussing the object oriented programming with Python. So let's take two parameters here, num1 and num2, and in this particular function we will return the sum of this two. Okay, so now if I put and if I run this, okay, you see this particular function returns the sum of these two numbers. But in this case we don't need to return the value, we can simply print it. Okay, so we can print it. In this case we don't need to call the function inside the print function. Okay, we can just run the function and we will be able to see the output. So this is the basic use of functions. We will create another function where we will be looking into we will take age and the name of the person as inputs, and we will return its stage in life. So as we have in the last videos, we have used if function. Will make use of those statements. So let's define a function. Status in life, take name as an input and age as an input. Here we'll use if statement, and then if age is greater than 20, print is an adult. Okay, let's use format function and let's put name here, else. Let's save this, and here we need to take the input, enter name and enter age, and now let's call this function. Okay, let's save this and run this. So okay, it says invalid syntax. Oh, sorry. Let's run this. Now name. Okay, we can put the name and age here. Let me check. Name and age. Okay, now you can see the result, right? Thanks for watching. I think you have understood how to use functions in your programs. We'll look into something else in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.